8K spent, good. 105 leads, 78 cost per lead. And the most important, how many clients?
15.
This is a really high conversion rate. Pretty good. That means your systems are really good. Joseph.
We've increased our follow-up from 5 times to 15 times over 15 straight days.
You just have to spend more.
The problem with PI is you spend it today and 18 to 24 months you get it. And right now budgets are tight.
Borrow money if you have to.
Welcome to my legal academy, helping lawyers work smart, scale fast, and enjoy life.
All right, Joseph, good. Thanks for sharing the numbers. And Joseph, this looks like these are your main numbers.
Yep.
So 8K spent, good. 105 leads, 78 cost per lead. And the most important, how many clients?
15.
Mazel tov. Amazing. Your systems are hitting, and now we want to crank it up. Look, and I'll show you 8261 divided by 15 is 550. Stellar. Your conversion rate, again, everybody saying you guys are clear, but this is a really high conversion rate. Pretty good. That means your systems are really good, Joseph.
Not really, but they're getting there.
No, they're stellar. Obviously, you just improve this by 25%. You're signing up another 5 clients, or 4 or 5 clients. So you could always obviously improve anything, but you should still feel good about it. So you tell me what's going on, and then evaluate yourself.
We've hired a VA Wednesday through Friday, 3 p.m. to 1 a.m. and then Saturdays and Sundays, noon to 5.
There you go.
Still working out bugs with her, but we're getting there. Biggest issue has been just timing. She's been making return calls during her day, which is midnight to 3 a.m. California time, which doesn't help. So we've had to attend to that. I need to get her to call between mostly 5 to 9, trying to hit those golden hours when people aren't at work, they're at home, and we can actually reach them and they can speak. We've increased our follow-up from 5 times to 15 times over 15 straight days.
Hey, hope you're enjoying the video so far. If you're a lawyer and you're looking to work smart, scale fast, and enjoy life, right below this video, you'll find a link to book a call to speak to my team so we can tell you how we've been able to help over 500 law firm owners scale their law firm. Now back to the video.
So we're starting to see some return on that follow-up. But that's all just in the last 30 days. I really want to get this to 20, 25 clients a month.
You just have to spend more.
The problem with PI is you spend it today and 18 to 24 months you get it. And right now budgets are tight.
Borrow money if you have to. You're not gonna get anything higher ROI than this. Don't worry about that. We'll come back to you. Yeah, find any way to spend more. You're spending about $270 a day. Can you make that kind of same plan that I just did for Paul about going up 20%? So let's just say you're at 270 per day. So today, so 270 times 2 is 54 plus 270. So today you'll go up to 324. Just do it. And if you need money, I can potentially give you a
You'll give me a loan?
give you an interest-free loan for you to maximize on this, but please just go for it. That's $400 on Monday. Yeah, at the very least, go up to this much.
We're looking to try and be at 10,000 this month.
Yeah, this comes out to 12K a month.
All I need you to do is pay my bills.
We could talk. If I get a percentage of the back end. I'm joking. But no, this is yours. Take it. Find ways to spend it.
We're working on it. That's kind of the plan, is we want to get up to 25,000 a month.
Good. You're good. Anything else, Joseph?
That's what we got for last month.
Okay, good.